Let's start with the topic of protein. What are protein and why it is important for CSI and why it is important for CSI examination purpose. And proteins are unbranched polymer of amino acids. Now, okay, let me give few seconds. Okay, what are proteins? If we are talking about protein is very important portion of any cell. That is, if we are giving the definition, that is unbranched polymer of amino acids. What are proteins? Polymer of amino acids. Okay, let's understand this definition. Unbranched means we can also see that it is linear in structure. That is called unbranched. There is no branch. The second terminology is polymer, that is made up of more than one. Amino acid is basically unit of protein. If we add this type of amino acid in linear sequence, it is called protein. Okay, now we are discuss this is protein. Now we are going to discuss about the amino acid. What are amino acids? Amino acids are basically monomeric unit of proteins. Each amino acid has a carboxylic group and primary amino group and a side chain and a hydrogen atom. Okay, let's understand. Carbon has 4 valency and it will surrounded by different atoms. The first is hydrogen, the second is amino group, and the third is carboxylic group, and the fourth is R chain. This is the structure of amino acid. This is the structure of basic structure of amino acid. If we see amino acid structure, this portion is always same, but the R chain is different in different amino acids. There are 300 amino acids are discovered but identified, but there is 20 standard amino acid are remaining. 20 amino acids are known as a standard amino acid. So this is the structure of amino acid. Now we are going to learn that this is the structure of amino acid. Now we are going to learn what are the type of amino acid. Type of amino acids. There are basically two type of amino acid. The one is standard amino acid, and the second is non-standard amino acid. Non-standard amino acid. What are standard amino acid? Amino acid specified by genetic code during translation are called standard amino acid. What is the meaning of this? When we learn about molecular biology, we will learn that old DNA. By using old DNA, there is synthesis of new DNA. This process is called replication. New synthesis of any new DNA strand is known as replication. Then using DNA make the RNA. This process is known as transcription. RNA synthesis is known as transcription. And there are the process of by using the RNA, we will make protein according to using this genetic code, 1 2 3 3 genetic code, or one set of genetic code using or encode one amino acid. Like these 3 amino acid add on one make together add on one amino acid in protein synthesis. In this, protein is synthesized. By this process, protein is synthesized. Now come back to the topic. What are non-standard amino acids? Amino acids does not specified by genetic code are called non-standard amino acid. Those non-standard amino acid, they all are derived from the standard amino acid by the modification during the chemical modification. By this process, non-standard amino acids are synthesized. Now we are going to learn the configuration of amino acids. What are the configuration of amino acids? There are two type of configuration of amino acid present. Configuration. There are two type of configuration present in amino acid. The one is D form and the second is L form. What is the difference between D and L form of amino acid? If we draw the structure of amino acid, in between there is C and there is an H2 or 3 plus or COO negatively charged, and there is H, and here is R chain, and on the opposite H and C, and there is NH3 plus, then there is COO negative is also present, then here is R. Okay, this is the D form of amino acid and this is the L form of amino acid. Let's learn with a quick. D is representing the, and the is always present on right side. If NH3 group is present on right side, it is D form of amino acid, and if it and NH3 group if present in left side, it is called L form of amino acid. In nature, mostly L form of amino acid is occurs. In most of the time, L form of amino acid is present in nature.